Hi, I'm Karthik from Online Learning Box, and this is the extended part of cartoon illustrations. It's the third part. In my previous illustrations, I draw this funny man, and in this sessions, I'm trying to draw his wife, and this is a couple. Okay, so I want to say a little bit about what is cartoon. Cartoon is a type of illustrations, okay, possibly animated, typically in a non-realistic or semi-realistic in the style. So in this cartoon, actually it is a non-realistic, okay. There's a non-realistic illustrations, non-realistic cartoon illustrations, okay. But the modern users usually refers to either an image or series of image intended to satire, caricatures, or humor, or a motion pictures that relies on a sequence of illustrations for its animations. Someone who creates a cartoon in the first scene is called a cartoonist, and in the second scenes they are usually called animator. Okay, that's the difference. The concept originated in the Middle Ages. They first described a preparatory drawing for the piece of art, such as a painting, fresco, okay, stained glass window. 19th century beginning in Punch magazine. Do you hear about Punch magazine? In 1843, cartoon came to refer ironically at first to humorous illustrations in magazines and newspapers. Okay, in the early 20th century, it began to refer to animated film, which resembles print cartoons. Okay, a cartoon can be satirical or humorous drawing, a series of illustrations, also called comic strips. Okay, you can say comic books or an animated film. When you criticize as a character or a real person for being a cartoon, you mean that they are overly simple and exaggerated. Okay, that's a very important point if you want to be a cartoonist. Go in simplicity or exaggerate the simple things. You exaggerate the eyes of cartoon character or the legs of cartoon character. I think political cartoons can be very funny, especially if you understand the issue that they are communicating on. So making cartoon characters. So first of all, think about the characters you like. Okay, a good way to come up with your own idea for a new character is to begin by identifying the ones you like and thinking about their characters. Okay, it's maybe your father, it's maybe your parents, it's maybe your uncle, it's society and social satire. For example, are you favorite characters all heroes? Okay, do you always root for the underdog? Okay, do you simplicize these characters? Okay, identify your other interests. Okay, what are your favorite sports and hobbies, and make it a simple characters through your imaginations. Okay, that's the basic things about cartoon. Okay, and do some experiment to internet, to all over the internet, and do some experiment. There are lots of website, there are lots of images out in the internet nowadays. You can experiment with this. Okay, but if you want to make a simple character, do some simple strokes, exaggerate, you can exaggerate eyes, you can exaggerate the ears. Okay, look in this characters. Here are the simple strokes. Okay, simple strokes, but make see his faces, the expressions of faces, and most important part when you drawing a cartoon, it's expressions. Okay, it's drama, not the drawing, not the way of drawing. It's always emphasize on your expressions. Okay, try to give the expressions as possible as you can. Okay, that's the main idea behind the cartoon, is as I think. Okay, so what I want to say some rules about if you want to be a good cartoonist. Okay, create some new style that's you may call indivisibility. Okay, a clear concept, a good presence, well-defined features. Uniqueness is a very important things, and positive concept and connections more. Okay, so it's very important things which design we love the most. So you can use in your basic, if you want to learn from basic, you can use liquify mode in Photoshop. Okay, in my previous sessions in Photoshop classes, I will discuss about this, how to can use liquify mode in Photoshop for cartoonize, make cartoon in character. Okay, so this is the basic concept about if you want to be a good cartoonist. So keep it in mind and see what happens next, and keep practice with me. Okay, and please stick with me and join with my Facebook pages, join with me in Instagram. Okay,